Hey guys, it's Tony talking CarBiz. Today we're going to take a quick look at this brand new 2020 Toyota Avalon Hybrid Limited Edition. Stay tuned and we'll get started. Engine on the Limited Hybrid is the Toyota 2.5 liter gasoline engine. It's a 16 valve engine, great performer, very durable engine. And then of course, because it's a hybrid, we have the hybrid electric motor system. So the engine and the transmission, the electric motor, all covered under a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. And new for the hybrids is a 10-year, 150,000 mile battery warranty on the hybrid battery. There's a 3-year, 36,000 mile powertrain warranty, or I'm sorry, 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. And then you do get the Toyota Care package, which covers all of your fluid changes, regular maintenance, all of your tire rotations for 2 years or 25,000 miles. And then this hybrid engine actually gets 43 miles per gallon, which is quite a bit for a full-size 5-passenger sedan. Quick look at the front end of the Avalon Hybrid Limited. So up front, these are LED driving lights, LED headlights, which are a bright white light. They're also a super low profile. Notice we do have a gunmetal gray painted metallic front grille with a chrome trim accent all the way around it. So a really big, bold, aggressive grille. And then right here in the center is the Toyota Toyota Hybrid badging. Here's one of our cameras for the 360 bird's eye. And then we have some additional sensors right here for all of our other safety sense features, such as dynamic cruise control, pedestrian detection, parking assist. The other thing that's kind of interesting up front is these vents right here are not faux. They actually go all the way through into the wheel, which is something unique, not even found on the Toyota Supra. Here's our wheel and tire package. So the wheels, these are a SuperChrome aluminum wheel. That's an 18-inch painted wheel. And then the tires are a 235. Nice wide wall tire, and that's a touring tire, so it's going to be a quieter tire, and it's also low resistant to help with the fuel economy you're looking for. As I mentioned, 43 combined city and highway. Hybrid badging, blinkers in the mirrors, nice chrome accent right here, and then another camera right underneath there, part of your 360 camera package. And the mirrors fold in and out, and then they have lane departure, blind spot, and they're heated. So a lot of technology just in the mirrors. Notice the chrome trim up and around the door sill. There's a quick look at the standard moonroof and the shark fin antenna, painted antenna. Here's a quick look at your window sticker. This one tops out at about 45. It's got the advanced safety package for $1,100, all-weather floor mats for $259. Rear window defrost, LED third brake lights up there, and then our tail lights. These are LED tail lights and brake lights. We also have limited hybrid badging and the Avalon badging right here, and of course the hybrid Toyota badge. And then down on the lower part of the bumper, you'll notice there's the sensors for your backup sensors and your parking assist. So a ton of safety features built right into the car. Okay, let's take a look in the trunk. The Avalon has a huge trunk, as you can see. No problem, 4 sets of golf clubs in this car. Cargo net hangs here, or your grocery bags. Super deep. And then we do have fold down seats, 60/40 folded down. Gives you plenty of cargo room, and it's a super high trunk with a dome light or a trunk light right there, and an emergency release right here in case somebody gets stuck in the back in the trunk, they can get out. Backup camera right there. Okay, in the back seat, the door itself, JBL audio system is standard on the Avalon, so that you get the speakers here and also down here, bottle holders here. The back windows are auto down, auto up. Avalon badging on the door sills, up front and the back seats. Nice touch. Here's a first look at your leather seats, perforated leather seats, kind of a quilted effect, very, very comfortable. Check out the legroom in the back seat of this. No problem getting adults, 3 adults in the back. Map pockets here. Places to plug in your electronic devices down there, and heated seats in the back. They're not cooled, but they're heated. And then there's the vents there for the air conditioning. And notice the back seat when I bring it up. I've got a center armrest with dual cup holders, a place to set your smartphone, piano black finish with brushed aluminum here. And once you bring that up, no problem getting 3 adults back there. Go ahead and jump in. Here's a quick look up front, driver's compartment. We'll jump up there and take a look. I'll show you the features as well. Okay, so here I am in the driver's seat. The steering wheel is kind of interesting. First Toyota I've seen that has, it's a leather wrap steering wheel, but it's perforated here, and then it's solid leather, and it's a two-tone, light gray, dark gray. Otherwise, your standard Toyota steering wheel with your information center controls, Bluetooth, voice activation, driver's side airbag, of course, cruise control, dynamic cruise control settings, lane departure settings, and your mode and your ability to change your stations on your radio. All pretty standard on the new Toyota steering wheel. Down on this side, we do have full automatic power windows, a memory driver's seat, but the Avalon also has a power telescoping wheel, which works with your memory settings, so you can set up for 2 different drivers. Controls down here, see if you can see those, for your automatic high beams, traction control, heated steering wheel, trunk release, gas door release, and our 360 view on and off switch. And then your trip meters are over here. And your driver's seat, forgot to point this out, both front seats are full power with 4-way power lumbar support, and Avalon badging on the door sill, and down here a place for your water and a speaker down there. And then again, part of the JBL audio system, you get extra speakers up here as well. Take a quick look over at our center stack. Well, you can see we have dynamic touchscreen navigation. We also, if I put it in reverse, you'll see those bird's eye cameras go into play. So bird's eye cameras. And of course we have XM satellite radio, Sirius satellite radio. This is the JBL audio system, which sounds awesome. There's a quick look at the passenger compartment. Your glove box down here. Air conditioning is automatic for driver and front passenger. Ventilated seats right here and heated seats up front. And then we have our front window defrost, rear window defrost, and heated outside mirror switches right there. Your center console does have 2 cup holders, leather wrap steering or shifter, and here's our controls for our Eco, our Normal, and our Sport mode for our hybrid system, EV mode, and our parking brake. And then way up here in this compartment right here, if we slide that open, you'll see we do have the QI wireless charging system, so you can just drop your smartphone right down there. You don't have to plug it in to charge it. And of course we do have push button start. Our center armrest, really big. This is leather all the way up through here, so nice touch with the stitching going down the center. And then the armrest itself pops backwards. There's a storage tray here, but I want to point out there's power ports and USB plugins down here as well. So if you did want to plug in your phone, you could do that. And then way up under here, there's a little place for a 12 volt as well. So plenty of places to plug your stuff in. Take a look up here at the top. You'll notice we do have a passenger assist grip, lighted vanity mirrors on our visors. Visors slide in and out. Overhead, we've got our mood lighting setup, overhead dome lights, power moonroof controls, and safety connect right there. And then we do have the frameless mirror, rear view mirror with HomeLink built right in. And of course that is an automatic dimming mirror. So that's a quick look at the inside. Oh, I forgot the gauges. These are kind of cool. So these are all your power gauges over here for your hybrid system. And then your information center is right in the center. So you can set up all your preferences. And you also have your driving support system, and there's your speedometer, outside temperature, clock. So nice gauges there, really easy to read. Headlight controls. The hybrid Limited does not have fog lights, and these are your wiper controls over on this side as well. So a ton of safety and technology features. Let's go ahead and jump out and give it one final look. There's a final look at this brand new 2020 Toyota Avalon Hybrid Limited Edition. So the very top of the line, midnight black metallic. This car is loaded. Really a great car. You could see why many people choose this over the Lexus ES. It's a better value and has all the features you'd get on a Lexus. Plus, some say it even has better resale value. Hey, this is Tony talking CarBiz. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. Give it a like. Really appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything to give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.